Hello everybody and welcome to the Ultimate Instagram Marketing course. Learn to grow your Instagram page with no hassle, no stress and ease of use, and everything is going to be super easy and super simple for you to learn. Okay, so my name is Anthony. I am from Black Brick Training and I'll be your instructor for the entire course. So, what are you going to be learning in this course? So first of all, we have section 1. We're going to be talking about what Instagram is and why to use Instagram and different types of Instagram posts. So that is a very simple and easy to go through section. Don't worry, we'll be adding more to this course over the next few years, months, weeks, and so on and so forth, because we'd love to update our courses whenever Instagram is updated. And then we'll be creating your Instagram account to make it so that you can gain followers. So basically optimizing your account. So we have a complete overview of Instagram, picking the perfect profile picture, the username, optimizing your Instagram bio, and using a link shortener to track clicks from your Instagram bio link. And then finally, we'll be starting from 0 followers, where to begin. Awesome. And then we'll be going over why to use Instagram to market your brand, why use Instagram to grow your brand, products and services, convert your account from a personal account to a business account, okay, Instagram analytics, and then some common mistakes to avoid. So that's a very important one because you don't want to be making mistakes there, do you? And then there's much more which we'll be going over. As you can see here, we've got the Instagram Stories Comprehensive Guide, the Instagram Live Comprehensive Guide, turn your followers into paying customers. That's something that all business owners will definitely want to be doing. If you have Instagram followers, you want to turn them into money, don't you? Yeah, of course. And then of course we have how to make money on Instagram. We have a few different lectures there, which are really helpful. And don't worry, we'll be adding more to this very soon. Creating and selling your own products and services, affiliate marketing, and using a website called Fiverr. So that's all awesome. And then we have much more, which we will also be going over. But I don't want to spend time going over that now, as you'll be seeing that later in the course, and you can, of course, look for yourself. Okay, so that is this course, the Ultimate Instagram Marketing course. From this course, you will be able to grow your Instagram page, and you will be able to use it to grow your business. So yeah, that's that. That is all for this course. We have the Q&A section if you need to ask any questions to me. We have bookmarks where you can create bookmark when you're watching lectures to save it for later. We have announcements where I can post an announcement which you can then see, but I'm not likely to be doing many of them because I don't want to keep bothering you, as that will just be hassling when you're trying to learn. And then yes, of course, we have the complete description of the course, all of the course content you'll be going over and learning, and that is everything. So yes, that's that. That is all for this video. That is the entire course which you'll be learning. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoy this course. So thanks for watching once again. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one to begin the course. So yeah, that's that. Thanks and goodbye.